Hey everyone, ready to light up your travel bucket list? Let's dive into the neon wonderland of Fremont Street, Las Vegas. Imagine stepping into a world full of neon lights and history. That's Fremont Street, the heart of Las Vegas entertainment. Today, I'm taking you on a quick tour of this famous area. Get ready, because we're about to cover its history and top attractions in just 3 minutes. In the 1930s, Fremont Street was where Vegas gambling started. This street saw the first casinos and became the original gambling district. Today, it's an entertainment hub, but those old vibes are still here. Now, let's talk attractions. First up, the Fremont Street Experience. It's home to the Viva Vision Light Show, with the world's largest video screen. Imagine a canopy of lights above you with amazing visuals. It's a must-see. And the historic casinos? Places like the Golden Nugget and Binion's aren't just casinos, they're legends. Walking through their doors is like stepping back in Vegas history, but with modern gaming thrills. Feeling adventurous? Then, you've got to try the Slotzilla zip line. It's not every day you get to zip line through a neon-lit street, right? It's an adrenaline rush like no other, giving you a bird's-eye view of this electric street. Speaking of electric, the neon signs here are iconic. They're not just bright and shiny decor, they're a tribute to old Vegas, lighting up the street with history and color. And you can't forget the street performers and live entertainment. From musicians to artists, Fremont Street buzzes with energy every night. Free concerts, impromptu shows, you name it, it's a festival that never ends. Now, a couple of local tips to beat the crowds and get those perfect neon light selfies. Timing is everything. Early evenings are your best bet. And hungry? Dive into some local eateries that serve up more than just food, they offer an experience. So why visit Fremont Street? It's simple. Whether you're a history buff, a thrill seeker, or just in it for the nightlife, Fremont Street has something for everyone. It's a mix of the classic, the adventurous, and the spectacular. If you loved this tour of Fremont Street, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more travel tips. Drop your favorite Fremont Street moments in the comments. I'd love to hear what caught your eye. Thanks for watching, and see you next time for more adventures.